Welcome to the Rim Brake Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to program a Chevy Camaro key fob. Before you begin, make sure you have all the key fobs you want to program with you. It is also important to ensure your vehicle's battery is fully charged. Keep in mind that the exact programming steps can vary slightly depending on your specific Camaro model, so always refer to your owner's manual for precise instructions. If you have at least one working key, the process is often straightforward. Insert your already programmed key into the ignition and turn it to the on position, then immediately turn it OFF and remove it. Within 5 seconds, insert the new, unprogrammed key into the ignition and turn it to the on position. The security light should turn off, indicating successful programming. If you do not have a working key, or for smart key systems, the procedure is more involved. You will typically enter the vehicle, close all doors, and perform a specific sequence, such as turning the key in the door lock cylinder 5 times within 10 seconds. This often initiates a 30-minute process involving 3 10-minute waiting periods, with specific actions required after each interval. If you encounter issues, first check the battery in your key fob. A low battery is a common culprit. Always ensure all vehicle doors are completely closed before starting the programming sequence. If problems persist, your owner's manual is an invaluable resource, providing detailed, model-specific instructions. For complex issues, a certified locksmith or dealership can offer assistance.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.